when I'm out in the bush, one of the most common forms of litter that I see is this sort of yabbying bait packaging, whether it's a lamb fry package like this one, or just some sort of meat tray that somebody's bought to use for yabby bait. You often find them around the banks of dams. I suspect the problem might be because people don't want to put this yucky blood and stuff back in their car and make it stink. So I'm going to show you a quick trick to clean that rubbish so that you can take it home without it being covered in blood. All you need to do is find an ant's nest, such as this one, place that on the ant nest for a couple of hours and the ants will come and clean up all the mess. Right here out in the middle. Rightio. So I've put my dirty wrapper on the ant nest. The ants are already climbing all over it. I'm sure they're going to clean that packaging in no time. And then I can put it back in the car knowing it's not going to stink my car out. Rightio, we've come back to the ant nest. This bit of rubbish has been sitting on here for about 45 minutes now. Just looking at it, I can see a lot of the blood has disappeared, but there's a lot of ants in the plastic. The only way I can get rid of them is to make them uncomfortable. So what I'm going to do, I'll very quickly lift the plastic off the ant nest, put it away from the ant nest, give it a bit of a shake or poke it with a stick and the ants should run out. I'm about to have a Pink Panther moment. Dead ant, dead ant, dead ant, dead ant, dead ant. Alright, ants. One more to go. The one's in there, but I'll just squash him. Alright, there we go. I can feel him crawling on my shoulders. There we go, look at that. That's not clean, like you wouldn't eat your lunch off it, but all the red, all the loose blood is gone. Nothing is going to fall out of that and make my car smell forever. That's ready to just throw in the back, loose like that, take it home and put it in the bin. Just a bit of a bush trick. Practice it. It's a much better option than just leaving your rubbish on the bank of the dam.